Hey everyone, can't see your T-Mobile 5G home internet on Wi-Fi? Here's a quick fix to get it showing again. Let's jump in. Older devices often fail to detect modern networks due to driver limitations or band conflicts. Restarting the gateway and splitting bands remove software or configuration barriers, while driver updates addresses hardware level compatibility. Fix one update Wi-Fi driver on your laptop or PC. Older laptops or PCs often have outdated drivers that lack 5G band compatibility or modern security protocols, example VPA3. Updating ensures your device can see and connect to newer Wi Fi networks. Check your Wi Fi adapter model in network settings. Visit the manufacturer's website, example Intel, to download and install the latest driver version to fix compatibility issue with older devices. In Windows, open Device Manager, then go to Expand Network Adapters, right click your Wi Fi adapter, update driver. Select Search automatically for drivers or browse to manually locate downloaded drivers from the manufacturer's website. For Mac, check for updates, go to Apple menu, select System, then go to Software Updates. If no update appears, visit the Wi Fi adapter manufacturer site, example Intel for Macs, with the third party cards to download drivers manually, rarely needed for Apple hardware. In Linux, open terminal, run lapc grab a network to identify a Wi Fi adapter. Use your distribution package manager, example sudo apt install firmware IWL Wi Fi for Intel adapters on Ubuntu to install drivers. Here is the note for all system: restart the device after updating drivers. If issue persists, split Wi Fi bands 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz via your gateway settings. Fix 2. Restart your 5G gateway. Restart clears temporary glitches, example firmware hiccups, IP conflicts, and focus the gateway to rebroadcast its Wi Fi signal, making it detachable again. Restart your gateway by powering it off, unplug it for at least 60 seconds, then plugging it back in and turning it on. The simple reset often resolves most connectivity issues. Fix 3. Split the Wi Fi frequency band, separating 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands, preventing band steering confusion. Where older devices struggle to auto-connect to the best band, this ensured both bands appears as distinct networks. To create a new Wi-Fi, open the T-Live app and log in. Under Connect, select your 5G gateway, tap the plus Add Network tab at the bottom. Tap the plus button to add a new network. Enter a new network name, SSID, and your desired password. Select the frequency band 2.4 GHz or 5 GHz if needed. Save your new network settings. Connect your devices to this new Wi Fi network using the new password. Fix 4. Ensure Wi Fi is enabled on the gateway. Accidental disabling stops the gateway from broadcasting its SSID. Checking this confirms the Wi Fi signal is actively transmitting. Connect your device to the gateway using Wi Fi or Ethernet. Open a web browser and go to http 192.168.12.1. Log in with your admin credentials. The password is usually found on the bottom of your gateway. Navigate to the networks from the left panel, then select Wi-Fi network. For each Wi-Fi bands like 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz, ensure enable broadcast and enable SSID is toggled on. If not, toggle it on to enable it. Save your changes. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.